I'll start it out that this is the audience. So you're seeing the back view of the move right now in theory. Your left hand's an overhand, your right hand is an underhand to start. Okay. Okay, up, down, up, plane break, and then it's the clockwise 2-pedal horizontal that I'm doing. Okay, and from side opposite left, up, pendulum down, up. That was a crappy plane break, sorry. And then break, 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 however many barrels you want to do in there. Anyways, this would be the front view, still starting from side opposite left, and then float up, pendulum down, up, again another crappy plane break to the